Understanding wealthy, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the term wealthy. This word is commonly used in English to describe a particular financial status. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what wealthy means, but also how to use it in different contexts. So, let's dive in. Wealthy is an adjective used to describe a person, group, or even a place that has a substantial amount of money, assets, or rich resources. It's more than just having enough. It implies having a lot, often more than the average. It's important to understand that being wealthy is relative and can vary based on context and location. Let's look at some examples of how wealthy is used in sentences. Personal wealth. He is a wealthy individual with properties around the world. Comparative context. Compared to other neighborhoods, this area is quite wealthy. Historical reference. In the 1920s, the city was known for its wealthy merchants. Knowing synonyms and antonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Synonyms include affluent, rich, prosperous, well-off. Antonyms include poor, impoverished, destitute, needy. Wealthy is often used in certain phrases. Born into wealth means being wealthy since birth. Newly wealthy refers to someone who recently acquired wealth. Wealthy nation, a country with abundant resources and economic strength. Understanding the cultural connotations is important. In some cultures, being wealthy is seen as a sign of success and prestige. In others, it might be viewed more critically. Also, the standard of what is considered wealthy can vary greatly from one country to another. In business and economics, wealthy might refer to wealthy investors, individuals with significant funds to invest. Wealthy markets, regions with high purchasing power or affluent consumers. And that wraps up our exploration of the word wealthy. Remember, being wealthy goes beyond just having money. It's a term that can be used in various contexts, each with its nuances. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this common English adjective. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering more complex vocabulary in no time.